Guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Yuka app. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Yuka app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your phone and then you will turn on or restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.